You're watching the Holiday Gift Guide.
Welcome back to our Holiday Gift Guide here on KTAB. And in this season of giving, there's a perfect way for you to help people right here in the big country. You've heard us mention our Santa's Helpers program right here on KTAB, and we wanted to meet some of the nonprofits that you help through this program. Joining me now is Mark Young from BCFS Health and Human Services. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing great. Hey, thanks for having us.
Yes, sir. So tell me a little bit about BCFS Health and Human Services. What does your organization do?
Well, we've been around since 2012, and so we have quite a varied area of programming. We deal a lot with kids in foster care, kids, and some of that they're aging out of foster care. They're needing some life skills, so we have programs that address that. We also do what we call parenting support, and we have like 3 of those programs that as parents have children, and maybe they're new to the game, or even if they've been a parent for a while, we offer them support that they can have to optimize what I consider the best job ever, and that's to be a parent. And then we also have what we call they're homeless shelters. They're not really shelters. They're transitional centers. And in those transitional centers, it's young adults headed into homelessness, and they can stay up to 18 months as we help them with finish education, help them get jobs, help them get further training, help them get stable so that when they exit the program, you know, they're self-reliant. They're not going to be homeless, and therefore they'll be out ready to hit the world.
How many people do you think this organization helps here in the big country?
Boy, that'd be a hard number to put. Easily, we're talking a couple of thousand a year.
You are a benefactor for not only Santa's Helpers, but also Jackets for Joy. Is that correct?
Correct.
So tell me, what do these sorts of programs do to help you in your mission in helping these people?
Yeah, so many of our parents have young children, and we know what the economy is like. We know it's a struggle sometimes. And so this allows us to help them to make sure Christmas is wonderful, make sure their kids have warm jackets when it gets cold, and we're getting there. And so it's just another resource that we can reach out and help young families as they're going through the day-to-day life.
Now, if someone is considering helping, what are some ways that they can help you, either through donating a toy through our Santa's Helpers program, but what are ways they can get involved with BCFS directly? Or do you have volunteers or anything like that?
Oh, we do. So probably the easiest thing to do is they just need to contact us at the office and tell us what their interest is, and then we will guide them to whichever program would most reach what I think their need is.
Mark, is there anything else you'd like us to touch on that maybe we didn't ask, or anything else that we can do to help you out here today?
Just be cognizant of the people around you. You know, so many people, especially in this economy, they just need help. They need a hand up. And we're not about, hey, let's enable somebody. That's not what we're about. We're about, let's give them all the tools they need so they can succeed. But to do that, you have to be aware. You have to be aware of the need. And there just needs to be a little bit of grace in your heart to help push you in that direction that you can reach out and help someone.
Mark, thank you so much for being here today, and we hope that this season we can get some people to really help you out and help out the people that you help.
Well, thank you, and I want to thank everyone in advance for reaching out and helping the folks that we serve.
If you would like to contact BCFS Health and Human Services, you can give them a call at 692-0033. You can find them online at bcfscsd.org or find them on Facebook.